So we're going to do a research overview of first the energy and nutrient demands that are driving this question as to why we need to take plants into space. NASA definitely understands that crop production is crucial for survival on long-term missions. Then we'll look at some of the space plant growing systems that are in use, as well as I'll go over some highlights of some experimental research data that I've conducted with Martian Simulant. So the why, the how, and here we go. The food demand for a crew of 4 on a 3-year mission, we're looking at 24,000 pounds of food needed, and that's only assuming 2,700 to 3,200 calories per day. When astronauts conduct EVA or extravehicular activities in spacesuits, they often need more calories, not less. They currently monitor calorie intake on the International Space Station through an app, and it's likely some sort of tool like that would continue to be used during long duration. But definitely astronauts still have that preference for fresh foods that do come up on cargo supply. Obviously, space is going to be a limitation, the amount of within the cabin to grow plants. So it may have to start with small things like microgreens. So our meals in space, there's very limited choice. There's food appeal. They're only going to get the energy that they need if they're willing to eat it. There's the degradation of the food, not getting enough calories. And so with all of these questions, we look at the option of plants as an alternative. Clearly, our fresh foods from green beans, peas, spinach, pineapples, peaches, tomatoes, numerous studies have been done, and it is fresh food that often provides the highest and most rich nutrients and antioxidants. So the plant-based diet, we get a lot more nutrient density per calorie. What are the consequences and the countermeasures? So through food, we are able to counteract some of these spaceflight consequences from muscle loss, bone loss, ophthalmic health, which is eye, the immune system, radiation exposure, and the cardiovascular deconditioning. And these will be covered in more detail in a different lesson.